everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a discount to waive the gap fee for children at your service that attend but may be absent on specific days and you would like to apply that gap fee discount. Please note, creating this discount is currently only available for Victorian services. This would include vulnerable children and children who have guardians that are permitted workers. To complete this action, you're going to go to the Child's Details page. You're then going to click on the Discount tab. Click here to add a new discount. Select the child's enrolment. Please ensure that you are selecting the correct enrolment for the discount. The effective from date, so whatever days the child is absent for. The discount type, the percentage of booking gap fee, and to waive the full gap fee, you're going to enter in 100%. Select the discount category, so you can either use the system type standard or add a new one, and select the days. So if the child is absent for this week on Tuesday and Wednesday, you would select the Tuesday and Wednesday in those options. And then click Save. If you are creating a discount for a child for a session that's already been submitted to CCS, you need to ensure that you tick the Submit Varied Session Reports before clicking Save. This will then apply 100% of the gap fee discount to those specific bookings. For more information on creating a discount on a child's record for absent days only, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.